Okay, this is our update on uranium here, July 13th. This is after the CPI print this morning, Wednesday morning. And this is really going to follow the trajectory of the broader market, in my opinion. And you can see my latest update on that. It's in the description. So we'll go with CCJ. And this is a case where the daily cycle is a little muddy, but that's okay because the weekly cycle is much more clear. So we appear to be on day 8. We had our high on day 5. Cycle had a bottom on the previous cycle bottomed on day 33. So similar to that. So actually, the broader indices were not able to make a higher high above yesterday's high, but CCJ actually did. We did pull back at the end, but this is a bullish outside candle or bullish engulfing because we started below yesterday's low and then we made a new high. So that's positive. But if we look at the weekly chart, this is just week 9 of our weekly cycle. We have our high on week 4, very bearish looking, spinning top like candle. These don't always play out that way. This one did sort of to a T. So we formed a swing high below 24.55 and now we're just consolidating. Like after this big down candle, we've just been consolidating inside this range. So now we just need to wait to see what happens, right? Do we break below these lows? And if we do, we're probably going much lower. Or do we break above these highs? And if we do, we're going much higher. I think the cycle count, like this being a potential bear flag from this decline, slants the odds to lower. And again, it's going to move in the direction of the broader market ultimately. And lastly, just keep in mind, we had our top on month 25. This is month 28. That month 25 high was probably the high for the 36-month cycle, the 3-year cycle. So I would just be careful here for sure. That applies to many assets, including just general equities. And this is a smattering of different uranium assets, monthly chart. You can see most of them are green, but they're fading. So again, if we get continued bearish follow through from SPX, we're already seeing some weakness in the futures tonight. We could easily see these candles go red again, kind of return to where they came. So that's the update for uranium.